Let's try 11.12. A weightlifter curls a 30 kilogram bar, raising it each time a distance of 0.6 meters. How many times must we repeat this exercise to burn off the energy in one slice of pizza? Okay, so before we start this problem, we need to know a couple things. First and foremost, the energy in one slice of pizza. So if you go over to table 11.2, you can actually find that one slice of pizza has 1,260 kilojoules, which is equal to 1.26 times 10 to the 6th joules. So that's how many joules are in one slice of pizza. And so the next thing we need to realize is that the body doesn't have 100% efficiency, right? It has other metabolic processes going on. It's releasing energy in the form of heat. And so from the chapter, you were actually told that the body has an efficiency of roughly 25%. Efficiency. And so this 25% efficiency essentially means that only 25% of these 1.26 times 10 to the 6 joules are going to be available to do work and lift this barbell. And so now let's take a look at the barbell, what's actually happening. So when the guy's arms are extended all the way down, the barbell's at its lowest point. And then he's going to lift the barbell and increase its height. And we're told that this distance right here, the amount he's lifting it, is 0.6 meters. So every time he lifts it, he's increasing the potential energy, right? And we remember that potential energy is equal to mass times gravity times the distance. We'll call it y. So every time he lifts it, he's doing work and increasing the potential energy. And so this potential, the amount of energy that he's increasing it has to be equal, and has to be equal to the energy of the slice of pizza, right? Because we're trying to burn this all off. But we're told that we're also told that it has 25% efficiency. So 0.25 times 1.26 times 10 to the 6th joules. So this side of the equation is going to give us how much available energy he has to lift this barbell. And we know that the amount of energy increased each time he lifts that barbell is going to be mgy. And so we're asked how many times he needs to lift that barbell. And so I'll just denote the amount of times I asked to lift it by n. And then we'll multiply n by mgy. Right? And this n just means how many times he lifts the barbell. Number of lifts. So it's just the number of lifts times the energy increase. And we know the mass, right? We know the gravity, we know y, which is 0.60. And so we know everything now, and all we need to do is solve for n. And so n is going to be equal to 0.25 times 1.26 times 10 to the 6th joules over mgy, where m is 30 kilograms, g is just 9.8 meters per second squared, and y is 0.6 meters. Another thing to note before I go any further is that we're also assuming that when he puts the barbell down, he's not using any energy. He's only using energy to lift the barbell. But anyway, so this comes out to, this big fraction over here, for n comes out to 1,790 repetitions. And so that's a lot of repetitions, right? Just to burn off one slice of pizza. But that's problem 11.12.